In PHP script, we have received lots of requests from my viewer to make tutorial on how to create dynamic tree view, so we have make this video in which we have used Bootstrap Treeview plugin for make dynamic tree view from fetch data from database by using PHP script with Ajax JQuery. We have tried lots of plugin to make tree view, but we have find this Bootstrap Treeview plugin which is easily implement with Bootstrap framework. By using this plugin we can make very simple and elegant hierarchical tree structures by using dynamic data. Now let's start learn this topic. This is our testing, and in this we have one country state city table with 3 table column like id, name and parent id. In this table we have already inserted country name, state name, city name. In parent id column we have store id of particular name column. For example, suppose in name Canada parent id is 0 because it is country name and here is no any parent of the column and its id is 2. But here when you have seen id 7 row, its name is Ontario, which is state of Canada, and its parent id is 2. So this way we have connect country to state via this parent id. Same here, you can see id 20 row data, in which name column you can see Toronto, which is city of Ontario state, and its parent id is 7, which is an id of Ontario state. So this way we have connect country to state and state to city. This is official web page of this Bootstrap Treeview plugin. From this page you can get complete documentation of this plugin. Here you can see data structure which is used to make tree view. Here you can see name of label has been stored in text key and child node of parent has been stored in nodes key, and same way child node's label has been stored into text key and its child node has been stored into its nodes. So this is JSON data structure for make tree view. So we want to make type of data structure in PHP array, and after this it will be converted into JSON string by using JSON encode function and send back to Ajax request. This is our index page, and on this page we have include first JQuery library URL, second we have include Bootstrap style sheet link. Third link is the Bootstrap Treeview plugin JavaScript file, and last link for Bootstrap Treeview style sheet file. We have required above link for use Bootstrap Treeview plugin on this page. On this page we will make only simple tree view by using Bootstrap Treeview. On this page first we have make write one division tag with attribute id is equal to Treeview. Under this division tag will display Treeview Ajax method. Now we have moved to write JQuery Ajax code fetch data from table and make data structure for Treeview, and by using Treeview method to display Treeview on above division tag with attribute Treeview. First we have write Ajax method, and in this method we have write first option URL set to fetch.php. Here we have send request to this page. In second option we have write method option, and in this method we have write post method. Here we have use post method for received data from server. In this third option we have write data type. In this option we can define we want get data from server in which format. Here we have write JSON. That means we want to receive data in JSON format. Lastly, we have write success callback function. This function has been called if request has been completed successfully, and this function will receive data from server which is stored under this data argument. Under this function we have write $, with division tag id Treeview with Treeview method. This method will call Bootstrap Treeview plugin for make Treeview under division tag with id Treeview. Under this method we have write data option. This is the core data which we will receive from server in JSON format, and it will be displayed as tree view under division tag with id tree. It is an array of object and it is not default, but it expect data show. In this option we have write data which we have received under success callback function. So this data will be displayed as tree view format on web page. So here our JQuery code is complete. Now we have moved to write PHP code at fetch.php page. And on this page first we have make database connection. So here we have write $connect variable is equal to MySQL connect with 4 argument like host name set to localhost, username set to root, password set to blank, and database name set to testing1. After this we have write $query variable is equal to select star from country state city table. This query will fetch data from country state city table. Then after we want to execute this query, so we have write $result variable is equal to MySQL query function with 2 argument like $connect variable and $query variable. This function will execute query and store result into $result variable. Now we want fetch data from $result variable. So we have write while loop with $row variable is equal to MySQL fetch array function with $result variable argument. This function will convert query result into array and store into $row variable. Under this first we have write $sub data id variable is equal to $row id variable. Here we have id column data into this $sub data id variable. After this we have write $sub data name variable is equal to $row name variable. Here we have store name column data into this $sub data name variable. Now we have write $sub data text variable is equal to $row name variable. Here we have store name column data into this $sub data text variable. We will use this text column for display name under tree view. After this we have write $sub data parent id variable is equal to $row parent id variable. Here we have store parent id column data into this $sub data parent id variable. So this way we have store data into this $sub data array variable. Now we have write $data array variable is equal to $sub data variable. So here we have store all $sub data array variable data into $data array variable. Now want to make data structure for tree. First we have write for each loop with $data array variable as $key with end $value. Here we have array of $value reference. For make array of $value reference. Under this for each loop we have write $output $value id variable is equal to end reference with $value. Here we have build reference array of $data array, and this is output of that array. Now we want to set child node of the relevant parent item. So we have write for each loop with $data array variable as $key with end $value. Here we have array of $value reference. Under this loop we have write if statement, and in condition we have write $value parent id variable and isSet function, and under this function we have write $output $value parent id variable. Here this condition will check if $value parent id variable has value and $output $value parent id value is set, then it will execute if block of code. Under this block we have write $output $value parent id with nodes index array is equal to end reference $value variable. So here we have create child node under parent node which is store under this node's keys. Here friends, you can see under USA parent node, you can see New York State as child node and New York State child node. We can see New York City, Buffalo and Albany as sub-child node, and below you can also see single array which is already come under parent node. So we want to remove this all nodes. So here we have write for each loop with $data array variable as $key with end $value. Here we have array of $value reference. Under this loop we have again write if statement, and in condition we have write $value parent id variable and isSet function, and under this function we have write $output $value parent id variable. Here this condition will check if $value parent id variable has value and $output $value parent id value is set, then it will execute if block of code. So under this block we have write unset function, and under this function we have write $data $key variable. This function will remove $data $key variable value from array which is all node which already comes under parent node as child. Here friends, you can see array tree view structure for make tree view with parent node under child node, and under child node we can see sub-child node, and below single node has been removed from array. Now we want to convert this array into JSON string, so we have write echo statement with JSON encode function, and under this function we have write $data variable in which we have store reference array. This code will send this JSON string Ajax method, and under Ajax we have called Treeview plugin method, so it will display this JSON data into Treeview on web page. So we have saved this code and check output in browser. Friends, you can see when page has been loaded in browser, we can see only the country name like USA, Canada and Australia. When we have click on plus symbol of Canada, then we can see two child node with text like Ontario and British Columbia which is state of Canada. So when we have again click on plus symbol of Ontario state, we can see two child node with name like Toronto and Ottawa of this Ontario state which is city name of this Ontario state. This way we can make tree view structure of country, state, city. You can also make this type of tree view structure for your project in which you have use category subcategory data. So you can also display category subcategory data in tree view format on web page. Here we have make dynamic tree view by using Bootstrap Treeview plugin with PHP Ajax JQuery. If you want to give stylish look to your website, then you can use this Bootstrap Treeview for display dynamic data in tree view format on web page. This plugin is very easy to use, and we can easily integrate this plugin into Bootstrap framework also. This type of tree view can seen on very large enterprise level application. If you have any query regarding this video tutorial, please comment your query under comment box. And if you like this video, please share this video with your friends, or even you can also share on social media also. Lastly, if you want to get more update regarding our video tutorial, please subscribe our YouTube channel for get updates.